Hello guys, so welcome back, and if you're new here, you're also welcome. In today's video, I will share with you where you can find in your YouTube studio who recently subscribed to your channel. I will also talk about how sub for sub will influence the growth of your channel, and if you are so obsessed with subscriber count, a better option to that. So I will talk this much later in this video. So for you to find out who recently subscribed to your channel, you can find this when you log on to your YouTube studio on a browser. So you can't find this typically on your YouTube studio app on your phone. So you need to log on to your YouTube studio in a browser. So right here, I'm already logged into my YouTube studio on a browser. So for me to find who recently or people that recently subscribed to this channel recently, I'll just go down, and within this recent activity area, you can see that I have the members button and the subscribers button. This members button will show the list of people that recently subscribed to my membership. So you will see this membership if you turn on your membership feature in your studio, and you can only turn this on if you are monetized. So if you are not monetized, you will only see this subscribers button. So this subscribers shows the the list of the people that recently subscribed to this channel. And if I want to see all of them, I will click on see all subscribers, and it will give me the list of channels or people that recently subscribed to my channel in the last 90 days. So if I want to find out people that recently, that's if I want to make it more recent, I'll select the last 7 days. So with this last 7 days, it will show me people that recently subscribed to my channel. And when I click on any of the channel, it will open the channels page, and I will find out who the person or the channel is all about. So this is how you can find who recently subscribed to your channel. But there's a caveat here. You will definitely not see everyone that subscribed to your channel here. This is a reason, because some people, they private their subscription status. So they private their subscription status. So with that, you can't, when they subscribe to your channel, it will appear or it will show up here. For example, like here in my comment section, you'll be surprised to see this person, there's a red icon beside this user's name. So this shows that this person publicly subscribed to my channel. This person publicly subscribed to my channel. So when you go to your comment section and you see this red YouTube icon, it suggests that this person publicly subscribed to your channel. So what is the difference between someone publicly subscribing to your channel and not being public? So the difference is that this person that publicly subscribed to my channel, I can find his name on this list. So but if the channel or the person is not publicly subscribed to my channel, I won't find it here. So now if you want to turn on, if you want people to know that you subscribe to their channel, what you need to do is go to YouTube, then click on your icon, then go straight to settings. Then under settings, you go to privacy. So here you see subscriptions. So when this subscription, when it's turned on, this means keep all my subscriptions private. So that means any channel that I'm subscribed to, they will not know that I subscribe to them. That is, if they go to the subscribers list, they won't know that I'm subscribed to them. But if I want them to know that I subscribe to that channel, I will put it off. So when I put it off, anywhere I subscribed the channel, they will know that I subscribe to their channel. That is when they check on their subscriber list. Now let's talk about sub for sub. Does it have any implications on your channel or your relationship with the YouTube community guidelines and policies? Well, what you need to know is that sub for sub can only grow your channel to a particular level. It can only grow your channel to a particular level. So sometimes I wonder when I see small creators, I feel your pain. I know what it means to gain 1 subscriber. even gaining it one day. There was a time I was in that level that each time I gained just one subscriber in a day, it made my day. So I understand how it is to grow a channel from 0 to 50 to 100, to 150 to 200 and the rest. But there's a mistake you'll be doing when you start doing this sub for sub. And recently, from the comment I do see under my videos, I discovered that some people now are now realizing this. They now realize that this sub for sub doesn't make any sense. So now, one of the negative, impact sub for sub we have on your channel in particular is that it will probably keep your channel to be stagnant for a very, very long time, unless if you are very lucky that one of your videos just break even among others. But sub for sub will keep your channel very stagnant, and that is a sign of shadow ban. YouTube might not come out and tell you that when you do sub for sub, they will penalize your channel. They won't tell you that. So that is another way of attracting shadow ban, when you engage in some of the activities that YouTube frowns at. You won't know that. They won't tell you that. They won't send you an email that, look, because of you did sub for sub, they will limit your channel or ban your channel. They won't do that. They will do it in a subtle way. You discover that you'll be in 500 subscribers for a very long time. You will struggle for a very long time. It's just a few creators that can escape this sub for sub bondage or punishment. So in my own opinion, I would advise you, as a fellow content creator, that you should be involved in this sub for sub. When you do nice content, it's just a matter of time you start seeing results. Now, if you know that you are really serious about your subscriber count, probably maybe you have gotten your 4,000 watch time hours, you just need the subscriber count to monetize, then instead of doing sub for sub, it's better you promote your channel. So a way of doing that, go to your YouTube studio, go to content, then here under the promotion tab, you can get started. You can promote your channel. That is if you really want to get the subscriber count, because I've seen creators that have used this option to grow their subscriber count. This doesn't have any, you won't have any issue with Google or YouTube when you promote your channel through this platform. However, the problem there is that this could probably attract the wrong subscribers to your channel. So if you want to do it much better, you better do it with Google Ads. So with Google Ads, you can fine-tune, you can mimic your promotion like the YouTube recommendations, and it will work for you. But the issue there, or the problem there, is that Google Ads is more expensive, especially when you want to promote your videos to the right audience. It will cost you more. So in general, this is how you can find people that subscribe to your channel. So if you don't see them on this list, that means that they have privated their subscription. So because I've seen some people talking about they subscribed to this channel, or this channel this or that. So I just want to make it more clear, because I've seen some tutorials on YouTube and they didn't clarify this particular part. So when you search for a particular person or a channel that subscribed to your channel and you couldn't find the person on this list, that means the person's privated their subscription. So unless they make it public before you can see their name on this list. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you are not yet subscribed, please, I beg you to subscribe, because I have a lot I will share in the coming days or even coming weeks. So also let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Have you tried 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪? Has it helped you grow your channel to a particular level? Have 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 caused any issue or frustrated your effort on YouTube? Please share your thoughts and share your experience in the comment section. We are ready to read them and respond. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.